Hey everybody, David Ursino here. Today I want to talk about closing time. So what happens? What time do you need to be out of the house as a vendor on the day of closing? And the reason I want to talk about this is because I recently was representing a buyer who had purchased a home, and on their closing day they went to the house, showed up at the house, and the vendors were actually still there. They hadn't moved out. They had barely packed the truck. Apparently only 10% of the items in the home were in the truck, so it was still a long time. They were very well delayed. And unfortunately this arose because they got bad advice from the listing agent, their listing agent. She told them that as long as they're out of the house by 6 p.m., everything is okay. That's actually false. When the property transfers title, that is when the home belongs to the buyer, and that's when the vendors need to be out of the home. In terms of best practice, and that can occur anywhere between 12 and 6 p.m. Typically it's in the afternoon, anywhere after 12 up until 6 p.m. at night. But in terms of best practice, what I advise my vendor clients is to be out of the house by noon on closing day. That way it ensures that all the stuff is packed, it's in the truck, ready to go, and you're not going to be still sitting at the house as the vendors have already got the keys, the title's been transferred, and they're showing up at the house ready to move their stuff in. As a vendor, you could be liable for the fees incurred by the buyer in terms of the moving crew, the truck, and all that stuff, all those hourly fees they have to pay. So best practice, as a vendor, leave the house by noon. That's it for me. If you have any questions about this or anything else related to Vaughan Real Estate, by all means shoot me an email. I'm at info@davidursino.com. Thanks very much, and have yourself a great day.